Bismillahirrahmanirrahim viewers. Today in this short video, quickly I am going to teach you in less than 1 minute how to show YouTube chapters timestamp, which helps you to jump to the part of the video whichever time you click on. Viewers, forget about all tools used for this purpose because method I am going to teach you is very simple.
Go to edit video. You have to take a start from a 0 minute and 0 seconds. This is very important. You must write the first chapter with this, otherwise it will not function. And after that you can write that at 2 minutes and 35 seconds you have intro to indexation. That's it, and just save it and it's all done.